I welcome all of you, and I hope you people are preparing really good for your exam, Airport Authority of India. See, many students are asking a question. I mean, they're calling also to the executive of Europedia and also dropping mails to us. They have couple of questions. Let me answer that very straight. Pehla question, first question they have is, when is the exam of Airport Authority of India? Let me tell you that there are speculations, but you assume 15th March to 15th April, 25th March to 15th April. Maximum speculations are basically in this particular time period. So people are speculating that 25th March will be the exam, then 15th April. No confirmation is there, but this is a speculation. So best intelligent move will be that you make your preparation such that 25th March you assume that there is exam on 25th March. So even if exam is 25th April, you will get extra time. So I think that is a strategy. So let's finish this question now. When is the exam? Assume it 25th March and then prepare accordingly, because after 25th March you people are to go for other interviews etc also of IITs, NITI Bombay. अप्रैल में इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, IITs का अप्रैल में स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. Some more exams can come like BARC, and also you people are to be busy in exams. So 25th March we have to finish it, right? It can be after that, but not before that. Probability of before that is very less. So how many days we have? 15th of Feb. Today is 15th of Feb. So let's say 15 days maximum or 25 days वहां पे. तो 40 days हमारे पास है. So assume that we have 40 days, and I'm going to give you the strategy for 40 days, 40 days. 40 days हमारे पास है. Don't worry. We have 40 days for this particular exam now. Okay, is this time sufficient to prepare for the exam, sir? What if I say no? And my second question is, if you do not have the time sufficient, can you tell me any other person who has more time than you? आई मीन पूरे इंडिया में सब लोगों ने गेट लिखा, सब लोगों का सेम ही लेवल है, सब लोगों का सेम ही तो टाइम अवेलेबल है. दिस इज द टाइम विच मैटर्स. डोंट यू थिंक दीज आर द 40 days whosoever will put 100% will get the mileage, you know, will gain in the exam. So सब लोगों के पास उतना ही टाइम है. Everyone has same time. That is the logic. So is the time sufficient? Perfect yes. क्या करना है तुम्हें? 100 में से 100 नंबर लेने हैं, 120 क्वेश्चन में से 120 क्वेश्चन करना है. इज दैट द टारगेट? नो सर, आई एम टू गेट मोर देन अदर्स. सपोज एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया इज टू रिक्रूट, let us say 350 people. So I am to be among 350 people, that's it. So I am to be among top 350 people. So whosoever will give his best in 40 days, everybody has got 40 days. It is not that others have got 80 days. Everybody has got 40 days. So is the time sufficient? Only you can answer. Are you going to give your 100%? Yes. Are you going to make a smart preparation? Yes. Are you going to concentrate on your studies? Yes. Then it is sufficient. No sir, I'm not going to study. Then even 4 years are not sufficient. Sir, now I'm not motivated for preparation. Then time is not a criteria. Time has, you know, there is a Parkinson's law कि टाइम अगर मैं आपको ज्यादा दे दूं तो आपका एफर्ट कम हो जाता है एंड यू फिल अप द सेम टाइम. So if I give you, let's say 6 months, airport authority of exam is after 6 months or after 3 months, then your pace will decrease. So if I say only 30 days, your pace will increase. It is like 2020 match or one day match or test series, something like that. So the time is perfectly sufficient. सबके पास same time है. We don't have this question. We have to give her 100%. फॉर्म भरा है तुम लोगों ने? अगर फॉर्म नहीं भरा है then also there is no worry. अगर फॉर्म भरा है then also there is no worry. फॉर्म भरा है तो एग्जाम तो लिखना ही है तैयारी करके, right? That is what we have to do. Should I prepare or not? What is the question? I mean, why not? Have you filled the form? Have you filled the form? No sir. Then why you are asking this question? फॉर्म ही नहीं भरा तो क्या होगा? Have you filled the form? Yes sir. Then why you are not to prepare? Whenever you fill a form, invest money, give your 100%, make it attitude in your life कि जब भी फॉर्म भरना है मेरे को 100% देना है. बट व्हाट सर इफ आई डोंट प्रिपेयर, टाइम इज लेस? कैन यू टेल मी एनी अदर फेलो, एनी अदर स्टूडेंट हु हैज मोर टाइम देन यू? नो. then why you are saying I will not prepare? That is the mental block. Now this question, these two questions, this is a data related question. I am happy to answer this data related question. This question, mental block, it should not be there. Okay, is time sufficient? No. sufficient. It is sufficient for everyone. I mean, whosoever is writing, same time is there. Should I prepare or not? Again, mental block. Why you are not to prepare? Form bhara hai to karo. Can I do it? This is something which is related to fear. It's a motivational part actually. Can I do it? 100%. If you think you can do it, you are right. If you think you cannot do it, again you are right. Listen again carefully. If you think you can do it, ask yourself, can you do it? What is the answer coming from subconscious mind? Yes. Then you are correct. If you think you cannot do it, आंसर क्या आ रहा है अंदर से, नहीं नहीं मेरे से नहीं होगा, तो सच में नहीं होगा. That is subconscious mind. So that is related to your motivational stuff, you know. So always think you can do it. And think से नहीं चलेगा, effort भी लगाना है. So your strong commitment, your effort and your self positive self belief and at the end hope is a beautiful thing कि मैं कर लूंगा. These things combined together you will crack exam. Listen carefully again. Your hope that you will do it, your hope that you will get it, your effort positive direction में, your belief के you can do it, and you're putting effort in a smart way, in a smart work आपको करना है, you will crack this exam. So can I do it, sir? Yes, but that is not I'm saying, that you should say. You should say from within, yes, I can do it. If somebody else can do it, why can't I do it? I'm also having the same kind of metal inside, you know, I'm also having same brain, so why can't I do it? Should I prepare it? Yes, 100%. कब से? Since from when? Immediately after this video is over. In fact, close this video right now and start preparing. But yes, before that, जो strategy वाला video है उसको जरूर देख लेना. Do that also. Is the time sufficient? More than sufficient. More than sufficient. You know, you have extra time also. In that extra time, you can take bath also. You can have food also. You can eat also. You can chat also. You have extra time. You know, more than sufficient. When the exam is there, assume 25th March, let's do it. Listen the strategy जो मैं देने वाला हूँ 40 days का, and then prepare it. I'm very sure you are going to get it. All the best.